These are the Saskatoon berries, which has an abundance of fruits, young fruits right now. There we go. And these are Haskap berries. There's abundant of fruits. They're still green, small and green. More Haskap. And another Haskap. There we go. And this one here that's sprouting some leaves is the Hardy Kiwi. These kiwis are not like the Australian kiwis. These are small grape-like kiwis.